Hi there. In this lecture, we'll be downloading Python for a Windows machine. So before we get to any of the coding part, the first thing we need to do is download Python. So follow me. Open up your browser, and in your browser, you're going to be searching for www.python.org. So again, www.python.org. Hit enter, and we get the Python site. So this will be great use to us once we become a professional Python developer. It has documentation, community, you can get different modules of the site and much more. But if you scroll down, well, not that much, sorry, you will see a download section. And in the download section composes of two links, Python 3.4 and Python 2.7. For the main part of this course, we'll be using Python 3.4. So click on that. All right. And then scroll down. You'll come to the files part. So there's two types of Python 3.4 you can download, one for Windows and one for Mac. Obviously, because you're on the Windows, we'll be downloading the Windows. So I recommend if you don't have a super powerful machine, download the Windows x86 MSI installer. Otherwise, you can just read for AMD 64, EM64T, X64, not titanium processors. But your choice, it's the exact same thing. I'm just going to do Windows x86 MSI installer. So you're going to let it load. Just let it download. Alright, once the Python file has been downloaded, open it and just follow the steps. So next, and basically it's a quick run-through process. So you just want to follow the steps and make sure you're doing everything correctly. So, yep, next, let it go. Okay, so it's not responding, but basic concept is that by clicking next and just following the steps. So I have already downloaded, that's why I'm getting this error message, but I do not want to overwrite the existing file, so I'm going to say no. But you should just follow the steps, and once it's downloaded, so finish, go to your folder, and in your folder, in probably your Windows C, so double click that. Over here you should see a Python 34. So I've downloaded both versions, but that doesn't matter. You should have the Python 34 show up, double click that, and this is your Python application. So let's open it up, and this is going to be your IDLE where you write your information. So for a quick program, you could have done something like print and then write hello. So that's a quick statement, print hello. Great. So this is going to be your IDLE where you're going to work in, and for everything I'll be doing in my IDLE on my Mac, you'll be doing it here on your Windows. Great. See you in the next lecture.